after all these things, right? What do you get from the experience of music, especially children? Number one, you get discipline. How do you get to Carnegie Hall? How do you become very good? You got to practice. You got to practice. And when practice is made, not as you must do that, but as a self-motivation, when you can connect the dot and you see the improvement, that's when you make progress. And that's when you feel, okay, I can go on, I can move on, right? So this is something very important that music teaches you. Number two is power. Power is a big thing that, for example, when you press a computer button, the computer is stuck, it's not moving, and you press the button. Oh, it's not working. Come on, come on. The computer doesn't switch on, right? You don't have power over that, but you have power to make that vibrato note on the violin. You have power to balance your hands in a Mozart sonata. You have power to play the drum loud or soft, right? You have power to bend that note in blues, right? And that power, that sense of power, is the right power that a child should have. Everyone should have that power, right? The third one is belonging. Because, you know, we all need to belong. We feel that we have a deep urge to belong to something that is bigger than us. So, for example, when you play in a big ensemble, right? You can be the little triangle, ding, 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 or the big drum, boom, 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 boom. So each one of us is very important. They feel value when we play together. Online, it's difficult to play together, right? It's a little bit difficult. But when we play together in an ensemble, that's when we feel value and we become part of something bigger that everyone is looking for, right? To become part of something bigger than ourselves. The last thing, you know, because when we look at the first three words, discipline, power, and belonging. Well, you can find in sport discipline, you can find power, you can find belonging. But music as something that probably nothing else has in such a way. And that word is beauty. The beauty of music, you can see that when, for example, you can come into a music classroom and see the beauty of the children playing. You can find beauty when you play musical instruments to your mother, when you play a lullaby to a little baby sleeping. That's beauty of music.